Monroe traffic, Skylane 35 Whiskey Sierra's line up and wait, runway 23 Monroe.
So you don't do that on uncontrolled field.
What?
Yeah.
You should read the AIM, Todd. You don't ever line up and wait on uncontrolled field because you can't, there's nobody behind you.
I don't ever actually do that. I just say it because it's cool to practice.
No, it's not cool. It shows that you're ignorant about the regulations.
Juliet, downwind for 23 Monroe.
Now you don't know what the guy behind you's doing.
Yeah.
That guy there apparently is never going to land. Maybe he finally did. There you go. Now.
Monroe traffic, Skylane 35 Whiskey Sierra's on the roll for 23 Monroe.
Fussing at you. So Mr. Fuller's lost his engine, almost. He's got 12 inches of manifold pressure.
Let's add flaps for some lift.
You really want to do that? Does that help your glide range?
I'd rather have too much lift than not enough, because I know I can lose it.
Yeah, but does have flaps increase your glide range is the question.
Yep.
All right.
I don't want to touch the power yet, because I don't know what the engine's going to do.
Yeah, you're not allowed to touch the power, not to go up anyway.
Traffic not available.
Well, I'm tempted to pull it back, but I know
No, I would, until you have the film there. Remember, you got 5,000 feet.
1,000 feet for
and
5.
Plus, when you drop that gear, you know, you're going to lose a lot of that altitude you got already. What's field elevation?
Field elevation is 300.
All right. So you got 700 left.
To go.
We're going to break out at about 500 feet above the ground. Can you get your gear down then?
Takes 7 seconds to swing.
All right.
We're high on the approach. A little high is good, so I'll take it down.
All right.
1 and 2
so
down.
you are just broke out. Just broke out. See if you can put her down.
Below 140. You're down in lock. Greens. Second notch of flaps.
Rowan County, Cessna 739 Foxtrot 5, turning left downwind, runway 20, full stop, Rowan.
All right, I'm not pulling the power. You got wheels on your side, right?
I got wheels on my side.
I got
We're
the
down
power.
a
You
lot.
don't need the power now. Full flaps.
Oh, we survived.
Nicely done, Mr. Fuller.
It
Nicely
was
done.
very good.
Thank you. Having a little partial power did help, though.
Well, if you've been at 5,500, you lost the whole engine.
Yeah.
That was the plan. The original plan was you'd be at 55. I thought you would at least take 5,500 to cruise.
I would at night, for sure.
And then you would have definitely lost the entire engine.
Marlborough County Jetport, automated weather observation 213 8 Zulu, weather, wind 220, 4, visibility,
Slight wind, 220.
All right, so we show 5 miles out.
Yeah.
We should get a fix off that water tower.
Make a fix off the water tower?
We should examine those so that, since it's the highest thing around.
It does sneak up on you.
We should go back and look up on the chart and say, okay, if we go to the water tower, so whatever direction from there.
Go 2 notches of flap. It's easy to go in high this place. Real easy.
Low as it is.
They have an oak tree too, almost in the approach path by the restaurant.
Real kind of short field landing you can do there.
Monroe, Stantons BBQ traffic Skylane final. The westerly runway 29 full stop, Stantons. See that dog leg?
Yeah.
That's what you use to kind of get yourself going.
That part of the 2300 feet.
Let's slow down a little bit.
Kind of split those two trees.
Yeah.
Traffic not available.
Can't do any better than that.
No.
Well, we haven't stopped yet.
Provided he gets a
Well,
stop.
if it wasn't a short field lander, you would have plopped it on the ground.
Goodness.
More of a soft slash
Yeah.
short field lander. I started asking you about 500 feet off, but you go around and come to the other end so the sun would be in my camera came in. Getting pretty short of those trees, wouldn't be too bad.
Yeah.
I think I got pictures in there of some people who didn't quite handle it right.
Oh sure, there's always somebody. This wide,
Yeah.
well kept. I tell you what, it was fairly smooth.
I'm gonna park as far down here as I can because I'll be situated for the takeoff already.
Yeah.
Plus, if anybody hits you coming in this way, they're just landing really short.
That's right.
Yeah. Exactly.
At least you could explain to the insurance company that you tried to get it out of the way.
Belts and
So here we are at Stantons BBQ and 3.5 Whiskey Sour, which those of you that didn't see it, in case the previous video didn't work out, this is how short he landed. He dropped over that tree right there, right over that corner right there, and he brought it right here and got her to a stop right here. That's pretty good work. Ignore all this other runway out there. That's just for other people. That's for amateurs. This man's used to flying in, where was that place? Pago or what was that place? Pago or something? Peleliu, yeah, Peleliu. That was it. Stantons Fish Camp. Smells like barbecue.
Seats locked.
seats locked.
Harness on. Doors closed and locked.
Stantons BBQ traffic, Skyline 35 Whiskey Sierra is departing to the west. That's runway 29er off the dog leg in front of the restaurant, Stantons BBQ. It is literally a straight shot to Monroe.
Definitely plenty of flat ground down here. They're back. Oops, you can't go all the way back. Record it long enough. Okay. Our back seat.
Hey.
Maybe our prop wash blew your part back into the kid's lap or something.
Probably so. Probably holding it right now, trying to figure out how do I get this back to him.
You leave your number for the front desk?